The man who buys a $200 independent cordless tool knows something the man buying a $600 tool truck setup has not figured out yet. Same factory standards, same high-drain lithium cells. By the end of this video, you will know the 10 cordless platforms buyers with that knowledge actually choose. Brand number 1, Makita 18-volt LXT. Makita is the only major tool brand on this list that is completely independent, refusing to sell out to an international private equity firm or a massive retail holding group. Headquartered in Anjo, Aichi, Japan, it has been building motors since 1915, no portfolio of discount sub-brands to protect. That independence shows up in one specific number, 2005. That is the year Makita launched the 18-volt LXT platform. A battery you buy today fits and powers a Makita tool manufactured over 20 years ago. No other major platform can say that. Every other brand has quietly changed connectors, updated firmware, or introduced next-generation form factors that conveniently force you to buy new tools. Makita has not. That is a corporate decision to protect the buyer's long-term capital asset instead of forcing an artificial purchase cycle. Smart men know that the global tool industry is a performance. Walk into a retail center and you see Milwaukee in red, Ryobi in green, and Rigid in orange. They look like bitter competitors, but they are all owned by a single Hong Kong conglomerate called Tektronix Industries. When one conglomerate owns 5 separate colors on the same shelf, it does not optimize each tool for ultimate engineering quality. It optimizes them to extract maximum corporate margin across separate price brackets. Makita removes that entire corporate layer. And in March 2026, Makita made a move that the mainstream trade press completely ignored. They entered a binding agreement to acquire Panasonic's entire industrial power tools division. Panasonic built the absolute benchmark precision torque control systems for aerospace manufacturing and automotive assembly lines. Makita is currently absorbing that exact elite engineering capability directly into the same battery platform your standard impact driver runs on, a transition that closes fully by March 2027. The buyer who has figured out the supply chain buys Makita. Brand number 2, Harbor Freight Hercules, 20 volts. I know what you are thinking, and I need you to hold that reaction for 30 seconds. The Snap-on truck pulls up to your shop every Tuesday. The guy is friendly, the tools look incredible, and the payment plan is only $47 a week for the next 3 years on a single impact wrench. Hercules is the answer to that truck. Since May 2025, Harbor Freight extended the Hercules warranty to 5 full years on every cordless tool in the line, brushed and brushless. 3 years on batteries and chargers, and when something fails, you walk into any Harbor Freight location and they hand you a replacement on the spot. No mail-in, no service center, no waiting 3 weeks for a repair ticket. A Hercules compact circular saw runs $99. A DeWalt Atomic equivalent runs $199. Both peak around 4,500 to 4,800 revolutions per minute, but the Hercules actually maintains higher sustained torque under heavy load. The tool truck rebel in this audience already knows what that supply chain arbitrage means. The legacy buyer might not trust it yet. That is fair. Put both through an objective torture test. Run them side by side through thick framing lumber for 6 months on a real job site. The engineering data shows that the Hercules holds its thermal limits completely intact. The label is no longer the metric for performance. Brand number 3, Rigid 18 volts and the LSA. This one is not about the tools, it is about the contract. Rigid offers something called the Lifetime Service Agreement. Register your eligible tools, batteries, and chargers within the window after purchase at the Home Depot, and Rigid will replace your batteries, parts, and provide service for the life of the original owner. Free, forever. Lithium-ion batteries degrade. Every platform on this list will eventually need new batteries. On most platforms, that cost falls entirely on you. On Rigid, with a properly registered LSA, it does not. For high-use tools where battery cells wear down every 4 to 5 years, that agreement is worth hundreds of dollars over a decade of ownership. One critical warning: reconditioned Rigid tools carry only a 1-year warranty and are excluded from LSA eligibility entirely. Buy new. Register immediately. keep the receipt. That is the entire strategy. Brand number 4, Flex 24 Volt, stacked lithium. Most cordless tool batteries use cylindrical cells, the same basic shape that has been inside power tools for 20 years. Flex changed the architecture. Flex, owned by the Nanjing-based Chervon Group, introduced stacked lithium pouch cells to the mainstream tool market. Instead of cylindrical cells wired together, flat pouch cells are stacked in direct contact. That design reduces internal resistance. Less resistance means more power delivered to the motor, faster charging, and better thermal management under load. The numbers Flex publishes are aggressive. Up to 200% more power output, 300% longer battery life, full charge in as little as 30 minutes. Those are not marketing claims pulled from thin air. They reflect a genuine engineering difference in how the battery is built. To back the platform at launch, Chervon offered a Flex limited lifetime warranty covering tools, batteries, and chargers registered within 30 days of purchase through December 2026, with battery replacements capped at 3. If you are building a new platform from scratch and raw power density matters to you, Flex is the most technically interesting option on this list right now. Brand number 5, Robert Bosch 18 volts. Here is a corporate structure you will not find anywhere else in the tool industry. Robert Bosch is 94% owned by the Robert Bosch Stiftung, a charitable foundation. The foundation was established by Robert Bosch himself before his death in 1942. The structure was intentional. He did not want the company optimized for shareholder returns after he was gone. He wanted the profits directed toward social, scientific, and cultural causes instead. What that means for you as a tool buyer is that Bosch operates under fundamentally different financial pressure than every other brand on this list. There are no outside shareholders demanding quarterly margin expansion. There is no private equity firm looking for an exit. The company can invest in long-term research and development without justifying it to a boardroom. That philosophy shows up in the engineering. Kickback control sensors on their angle grinders, the X-Lock quick change system that eliminates the need for a wrench when swapping discs. These are not features that improve the marketing brochure. They are features that protect the person holding the tool. Brand number 6, Ryobi 18 Volt 1 Plus. Ryobi is not your primary platform, it is your secondary platform, and that distinction matters. The 18 Volt 1 Plus system has maintained its physical battery connector since 1996. Over 300 tools run on the same battery: inflators, lights, glue guns, wet-dry vacuums, oscillating tools, specialty items that you use twice a year and cannot justify buying at Milwaukee or DeWalt prices. The smart move is to run a premium platform for your primary tools and Ryobi for everything else. You are not compromising on the tools that matter. You are refusing to pay professional prices for a glue gun. Brand number 7, Hilti Nuron, 22 volts. This one is not for the homeowner. This is for the commercial contractor managing tools across a large job site, and it is the most technically advanced platform on this list by a significant margin. Every Nuron battery contains a built-in cellular eSIM module. During every charging cycle, the battery automatically uploads diagnostic and telemetry data to the Hilti cloud. Battery health, charge cycles, tool utilization, runtime data, and the geographical location where the battery was last charged. Think about what that means on a commercial site with 40 workers and 200 tools. Idle tools get flagged, hoarded equipment gets located, replacement cycles get predicted before a tool fails in the middle of a pour. Fleet managers using Nuron are not just buying tools, they are buying a tool management system that pays for itself in recovered equipment and reduced downtime. The price reflects that. But for the contractor who has ever lost a $1,000 tool on a large site and had no way to find it, the eSIM module alone justifies the conversation. Brand number 8, Cordless Alliance System, CAS. Metabo built an 18-volt battery platform and then did something no other major brand has done. They opened it. Over 40 European specialty manufacturers now share the same CAS battery standard. Rothenberger pipe press tools, Eisenblätter metal finishing grinders, niche equipment that specialized trades need, but that no single brand has the scale to power efficiently. One battery, 400 compatible tools, no redundant chargers, no separate battery ecosystems for every specialty task. For the European tradesman or the American specialist working with imported equipment, CAS is the most practical cross-brand solution in the industry. Brand number 9, Milwaukee M12 Fuel. Higher voltage is not always better. Milwaukee proved it. The M12 Fuel stubby impact wrench, paired with a 5.0 amp-hour high-output battery, outperforms standard 18-volt impact drivers in confined spaces. The compact footprint reduces fatigue over an 8-hour shift. Plumbers, mechanics, and HVAC technicians have been running M12 as their primary platform for years because the tools fit where 18-volt tools cannot. The lesson here is that motor optimization and electronic communication matter more than voltage numbers on a spec sheet. Brand number 10, DeWalt 20-volt and 60-volt FlexVolt. One battery, 2 voltage levels, no separate charging system. Slide a FlexVolt battery into a standard 20-volt max tool, and the cells run in parallel for maximum runtime. Slide the same battery into a 60-volt max tool, and the internal wiring switches to series automatically, delivering the power a concrete breaker or table saw demands. For the contractor running both light-duty and heavy-duty tools on the same site, FlexVolt eliminates the second charging platform entirely. That is not a marketing feature. That is a genuine engineering solution to a real logistical problem. Here is what connects every platform on this list. None of them made this list because of a marketing budget. Makita made it because of 20 years of backward compatibility and a strategic acquisition that expands the platform's industrial capability. Hercules made it because a 5-year warranty with instant in-store replacement is a better deal than a tool truck payment plan. Rigid made it because a lifetime battery replacement agreement is a financial instrument, not just a warranty. Hilti made it because a cellular eSIM in a battery is a fundamentally different product than anything else on the shelf. The brands that did not make this list spent their money on advertising. The brands that did spent it on engineering. Look past the color, look past the logo. Ask what is actually inside the tool, who owns the company that built it, and what happens when something breaks. The smart buyer already knows the answer before they swipe the card. Drop your current platform in the comments, and if you have ever been burned by a warranty claim that went nowhere, tell me the brand. That is the next video.